Hey, in this video, we will see how to program ESP8266 using an Android phone. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
Dance with me.
To do so, open App Store or Play Store and search Arduino Droid, and then download the application. And then, after signing in, click on the three dots above and select Settings after that Clipboards Manager, and then select ESP8266. Then select your model type. In my case, it's Node MCU 1.0 ESP12E. Your model might also be the above one. Now click on the three dots again and go to Sketch, then click Examples, then Basics, and then Blink. Now we are going to compile the code by clicking on the Compile button. It may take some time, so be patient. Now connect your Node MCU to the mobile. For that, we will be needing OTG cable and a USB cable. Make sure that your USB cable has a data connection in it. If by any chance your Node MCU is not working, try to change the USB wire. Now, by clicking on the Upload button, we will upload the code. This also will take time. This is the output. I uploaded the code using mobile, because sometimes coding on Node MCU gets difficult from your laptop because of lack of driver. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.